How to add team members to your Wise business account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So are you running a business on the go? Well, in this video, I'll show you how to add team members to your Wise business account directly from your phone. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Wise app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in with your Wise business account. And now here, once inside the app, you can just tap on your profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, from the menu, you can simply scroll down and choose team members and permission. And this is where you manage your business team access. So here on the new page, you can just tap on add team member and enter the email address. And now here you can choose what the new member can do, like just view balances, manage cards, send payments, or be a full admin. And here once the permissions are set, you can just tap on send invite and Wise will email them a link valid for 14 days, and if they don't join in time, you can resend it. And to edit or remove a team members later, you can just go back to your team member screen and tap their name, and after that choose edit or remove, and that's it. That's how you can add team members to your Wise business account. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.